Duelbits is an online platform that allows users to participate in various games and tournaments, including popular casino games like poker, blackjack, and roulette. However, due to strict gambling laws in the United States, accessing Duelbits from within the country can be challenging. To play Duelbits in the US, users must first use a virtual private network, VPN, to mask their location and make it appear as though they are accessing the site from a different country where online gambling is legal. This allows users to bypass geo-restrictions and access Duelbits from the US. Once connected to a VPN, users can create an account on Duelbits and deposit funds using cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. These transactions are secure and anonymous, providing an added layer of privacy for users. After funding their account, users can then choose from a variety of games to play, including live dealer games and virtual slots. Winnings can be withdrawn in cryptocurrency or converted to fiat currency and transferred to a bank account. While playing on Duelbits from the US may require some additional steps due to legal restrictions, many users find the platform to be a fun and exciting way to enjoy their favorite casino games from the comfort of their own home.